Let your garden shine with native wildflowers growing strong and fine from County Meath, made with care. Seed bombs that bloom most anywhere. Just throw and grow, it's simple to do. Watch bear